Alrighty, we installed a oil catch can on the L28 in the Datsun 280Z. This one's kind of fancy. It's got a little dipstick. Obviously there's nothing on there, we haven't ran it yet. And then it unscrews the bottom like a normal oil filter. You can put a port here for just it to vent off to atmosphere, but I'm just having it recirc because there's a nice port here. So this is pre-throttle body, so any sort of vacuum that the engine's sucking in, it will kind of suck a little bit from the catch can. Now this has some stainless steel mesh, and there's actually a little like hole or a cage around the inlet one, so it kind of stops the stuff that comes out. But yeah, it also came with a bunch of other stuff. Like as the hoarder in me, I mean this is great stuff. Like you can cut, weld these on, or just drill and tap and have a nice ORB. It came with one of these guys, which they're expensive, and a skookum piece of metal for it. Pretty cool. 10 out of 10.